Hello guys, welcome to Distract channel. So today we discuss topic about that how to generating traffic or your YouTube channel or a mobile application using for Pinterest. Most of the people they don't know idea about the how to use a Pinterest. So first of all, we come into the Pinterest option. They will be called notification is a block. We can allow the for the site notification. In this, we have option name is called in this. We can select your account will be here. That is a complete account will be created by the using Pinterest option. Pinterest, first of all, we can create account. We have two option. One is the board, one is the option is called. We can selecting for the pins. First of all, in a website, any content will be promoting. I go to services. Any people will be click the SEO services in KPHP colony Hyderabad. So when people will be searching Google, in coming to the image optimization will be in this we can selecting will be here. This is my image along with the logo. But here they can't show by the image will be here. They will be shown only for particular Pragati Nagar will be location when click. But I have to target will be into the particular website. How it is target? First of all, log in your Pinterest account. Account will be set up properly. When account will be set up is done, we have immediately we can go to the setting option. In this setting, first of all, add your details and your short information, your business promotion, he, him, or anything. In this website address and username, click for save. And your compulsory add your image will be mandatory field. So you can add any image. We can go to the particular option. So where our image is there, select exact image. Complete logo you can select or icon also will be select on a particular option. So image will be appearance more than important. So when in image will be adding automatically save. Profile selection is more important. Why you can adding website URL? There's mostly will generate our website backlinks and SEO profile also in a particular website. We can go to the in this. First of all, select this keyword, copy here. How the people will be searching in a Google, go to all option, select here. We have to install by the Pinterest toolbar. Nothing but browser extension. That is the browser extension that will be installed already done in my website. Where it is the Pinterest toolbar. What is the purpose of Pinterest toolbar? Purpose I tell you. When go to this content, simply click for this Pinterest toolbar. Automatically board was created here directly. So I can promote this image. The keyword is called SEO services in KPHB Hyderabad. Done. Next. What are the next keyword? SEO companies in Kukatpalli KPHB. Same keyword select. Once again click the Pinterest toolbar. Create a board. Previous keyword is SEO services in KPHB Kukatpalli. KPHB, Hyderabad. Now will be same link. I can promote another keyword. Done. So that is called the board was created. The board was created will be here. So that is a creator will be in this particular board option. In this, not only we can creating board will be not only website, you can promoting apps and your particular YouTube URLs, everything will be promoting here. See, two boards are created. Next. We can go to option. Best SEO company in Kukatpalli. So what are the keywords most of the people will be searching? That all will be creating boards. What is the main aim it is called? This is called image optimization. Simple, go to Google, click here. image. In this image format, your image will be showing to Google Images like this. When click here, they go to your particular website. So this is another website. So these all options we can given by the image optimization. That is nothing but we can getting traffic from image to your website. So how many people using image? Everyone using images. Next will be they showing for search results also. Not only images, they showing will be search results also. When coming to scroll down in a pages, these are the most important for the every business. The option name is Pinterest. So any celebrities, any fashion designers, most of the people creating for Pinterest for showing for any kind of images. There is a most of the here. When go to home page, see so many people. This will be do follow website. This is a fashion wear, the technology, and promote your application. Multiple options are there. Simple, selecting an application. So here I'm selecting for application name is called my company website application. So this I can promoting my mobile application also. Click here. Same. If anyone is searching this keyword, I have to show app on my Google Images. Select it. Next. Same. Under keyword is there. Just I'm adding will be option. Select image. We have multiple image also select. Click. Close. In this, I'm selecting design. Next here. So previous, we have only one image is there. Now you can check it out. So one application you can promoting more and more keywords. Who will be read that all keywords? That all keyword will be writing for your particular option name is called here. When people was click here, best SSS company in Kukatpalli, they open our pins. When click here, this will be they go to the your Play Store application. That is called your app backlink. Mobile app strong backlink. Who will be give the mobile app strong backlink? They given by the Pinterest website. Most of the people using Pinterest website to generating for mobile views and getting will be traffic purpose. And coming to YouTube channel. So what are the application is there in this? How to advertise business online classifieds. Select it. Pinterest. Create. But suppose it is not created properly. That mean by it is exceed by the 50 characters. Selecting notepad. This will be 59 characters. So simple. So in this board, we can accept him only for 50 characters. So in this, we have, you can check it out. Same keyword. Close it. Writing for different boards. Here people asking one question. Sir, each video, how many keyword we can add? How much traffic you're looking for in your particular video? Multiple keywords that all will be using for the option name is called Pinterest. We can using n number of keywords. We can using for n number of keywords. There's nothing will be limit will be we can use the only particular keywords. Only assumption is called I have to getting for backlink for mobile application, YouTube channel and website. So if free bloggers when can we use free blogger, free WordPress bloggers, anything we can use. The option name is called Pinterest website. After creating board, click for edit. Only we can changing for like this. Each board we have writing for the description and the title. Same back. So why? Because people know about your content based on the SEO title and description. This is all why we know about the previous video. So we can watching SEO video for it and this one. SEO services in KPHB Hyderabad. This all will be we can give to the particular option. So in a one keyword, how many we can write? We can add the number of. So that is called when I'm adding for this keyword, simple selecting incognito window, search it, go to images. In this, I have to go click here. They go to my website will be done. If it's YouTube, YouTube will be done. So I can using this image will be Facebook also. Why? Because I can do the my Facebook marketing also. This all will be given by the here. So this will be Pinterest. So finally, Pinterest, they go to where? Your particular website. These are nothing but referral traffic on your particular website to getting from Pinterest. So Pinterest is very powerful. Link optimization, image optimization, and keyword optimization. People will be search into the Google. Here also will be visible by the Pinterest option. I'll go to this option here. This will be click this option and click here. We have three: text, image, and your particular link building for using for Pinterest option. These are nothing but referral traffic on your particular website. Most of the persons they don't know about the proper Pinterest using. When click here, this is a call create a pin option about title, everything, which is your complete your platform. You can give this option. And one more thing is called so I can using for one title, one image I'm starting will be posting done. So same small change. Link will be same. Copy the keyword. Select the pin option. Is completely different. Here is the pin. Here is the board. The right will be selecting for pin, title, everything. Select your particular board option. There will be complete board is there. What is the board? SEO. Select it. Destination link. Now, here I'm changing image, which I'm changing for image. I'm changing here. So, what is our exact image? See. Best exercises here. Keyword is same, link will be same, image will be changed. That is the pin option. So one link we can add in for number of images. Go to where best SEO. See, is a one image, is a second image. Look this one. Click here. Select link. Image will be same. Image change. Link will be same. So in a one link, we can promoting multiple images. That option name is called pinning by the your particular options. So these are the different options we can given by the a particular posting. So that is called very important will be in a particular positions. So that is called in a one particular keyword we can promoting with the multiple keywords and the multiple images. So this all option will be given by the Pinterest option. So in a existing image also will be promoting and new image will be promoting by using for Pinterest option. So if any query about that video optimization and website optimization, mobile app optimization, you can contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Pinterest is not a small market. They can understanding the market and promote by anywhere. People are most of the people searching for so many images and so many content by using Pinterest option. So our content will be help only for generating for every examination and everything. How safe your personal information online? They give news. SEO checklist. So people writing different concept. PlayStation Store. 5 ways to boost brain health when you have different domains of authentics. So here, every market, if you are promoting your bloggers, app, everything, is it clear? So still anyone you are facing problem, you can contact to this channel. I definitely will be supporting. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.